Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Do you understand English but when it comes to speak you are unable to speak? If you are also in same situation, then this video is going to very helpful for you. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand what I'm going to share in this video. So initially every people face this problem. Even I also faced initially this type of problem. I understand everything. Nowadays also I am a beginner, I am a learner. I cannot say that I am so much confident in this language. I am also underconfident. Sometimes I am feeling underconfident and I also unable to express in some situation. So how can you overcome from this type of problem? So if you are understand each and everything but you are unable to speak, it means you have good knowledge about English, but what you have to do is you have to do start speaking. Yes, because you understand everything, it means you have knowledge, but why you are unable to speak? Because you never ever spoke or you never ever tried to speak. That's why. So first you have to start speaking, because if you don't, until you don't speak, you will not able to speak. So don't wait for the right time. Whenever you start, that would be your right time, and start speaking and continuously. Don't stop and don't skip your day. Every day continuously at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes. You have to manage your time and try to describe anything, try to speak about anything, whatever comes in your mind, try to speak that in English language. Every day, I'm not talking about for some days, for 10 days or for fixed time. There should be no any fixed time. You have to do this practice every day continuously forever, because learning English is a journey, or speaking any language is a journey. It has no any fixed time that you will have to only speak 30 days or 1 year or 4 year or 10 year, like that. Speaking language is a journey and you have to keep consistency, you have to keep speaking forever. And if you do this practice continuously for 2 years, definitely you will see yourself in a good position. You will able to speak good English. Whether you make mistakes somewhere, it's okay, no problem, because we are not belongs to English speaking country, because English is our second language. So that's why making mistake is a common thing. Some people says that learning English is not a cup of tea, but not like that. Nowadays it has become, learning English has become a cup of tea. Why I'm saying this? Because nowadays everybody can learn this language by practice, because there are so many videos are uploaded in social media, in Facebook or on YouTube. They are uploading and they have uploaded many types of conversational video in English language. So from there you can observe, you can accumulate the idea of sentence structure, and you will get different types of video, in which somewhere you can get about all tenses, somewhere you will get different types of sentence, all types of sentence like active, passive, or many more types of sentence you will get. So from there you can get more idea. And other thing you have to do is speaking. You have to speak every day. Whatever comes in your mind. So you would be thinking that what would I speak about? So topic can be anything, whatever. You have to choose one topic and try to speak that in English language. At least first time you will feel bored. You will feel first time funny, but when you will become familiar with this practice, you will find it very good, and you will able to speak, you will able to describe the thing. So first you have to start speaking. Don't wait for perfect time or perfect date. There is a proverb in Hindi, आज करे सो कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में पल रहे होएगी, बहुरी करिएगा कब. So if you have decided to do anything, if you have decided to learn this language, so you have to start today. You have to start today itself, and you have to promise yourself that I will learn this language anyhow. If you really want to learn, otherwise there are so many people who just try 1 day, 2 day, 4 day or 10 day. After that they quit. They don't practice. Like that you cannot do, you cannot achieve, you cannot get success. So if you really want to learn, you should have patience, and you should to dedicate yourself in learning this language. Then you can able to learn it. For doing anything, I am not talking about only learning. If you want to achieve anything in your life, you have to resonate with that. Whatever you want to achieve, you have to resonate with yourself. So speaking comes after speaking. So you have to just start speaking. First time you speak broken English, that's okay. You speak simple sentence. If you are not able to speak fluently or flawlessly, you just speak one by one. You just try to make sentence first, and day by day you will become fluent. Fluent does not come overnight. It's make your tongue habitual gradually, and day by day you will become, bit by bit you will become fluent. So you have to just start speaking. So yeah, that's all for today. We meet again with a new topic in next video. Till then, bye bye, and keep practicing, keep learning, and get success in your life.